415. And today he is coming in at 413. Let's go! All right, what's your starting weight?
375.
375. 362! Holy shit!
I don't cheat on my shit, King.
Let's go! Okay.
Desperate.
Oh, no, fuck no. He lost a pound.
I lost 4. It was 359. It's 356. It's 3 pounds.
He lost 3 pounds. All right, so far good. Okay, actually good. Actually good. Proud of you. All right, actually good. Okay. We're moving in the right direction at least. Wings, 50.
Can I do jumping jacks?
Where the fuck did you get? You're almost under 600. 601.
600 on this fucking trip.